and see what's new. Okay, so these are bonus items, but they are so cute. Look at their little wood legs. These would look really cute in a tier tray. Oh, not the turkey. The turkey is fresh. Those ghosts have been around for a while. Ooh, these look new. I don't remember these being out last year, so these are definitely new as well. These look like they've been updated in their prints. So while they've had the tape before, I think these are brand new in style. Super cute. Ooh, I love the brown spider. This isn't new. This has been around for a while. I have this. I already bought this. This is the candy corn garland for $3. So cute. These aren't new. I did a DIY with these. I'll link it down below. It was like a candy jar. So adorable and so easy. This looks new. Not my favorite, but you know. I'm honestly surprised that some of this stuff is still on the shelf. Like, really. Ew, look at this. I think I already hauled these. Look how cute is that? I need to put one of these in my kitchen. I need to find it first. God knows where that's at. Oh my God, Christmas. What? I mean, I'm not mad about it, but it's all looking like stuff I've seen before so far. These are definitely new. They're so cute. You can make it look like bubbles in a witch's cauldron. Decorate your trees with it. It's so cute. These little notebooks are new too. I'm not a fan of the print, if I'm being honest. These were new this year too. I have all of them. They're little like tree toppers. Got bats. We got like a witch riding the broom. We got a crow. Very cute. Ooh, this looks new. I'm gonna get these. These baskets aren't new, but they are so good, and they would be really cute as like boo baskets. Could definitely do that. $1.25. I feel like I'm sponsored by Dollar Tree, but I'm not. These are new too this year. I already hauled them. Oh my God, they are everything. Like the cutest things I've ever seen this year. Wow. Look at that. You could definitely DIY with this as well, but ladies' tights. I love these bags. Thanksgiving cards are out, so I'm definitely gonna give this a sweep and I'm gonna pick out some of my favorites, so let me do that. Looking at the skincare selection, this is looking new to me. Little lip mask, I don't know, maybe I've seen that. This is definitely new. Printed hair mask, that's interesting. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna get these for sure. Put them in my cart. What are these? I have not seen these before. So these definitely look new too. This is like a basic brand at Dollar Tree, this like Global Beauty Care, but I really like it. Wow. That is cute. These are new too. This looks new as well by Be Pure. This cream cleanser. I don't think I've ever seen a cream cleanser. Maybe, I don't know. This definitely looks new to me. Ooh, They had a vitamin C, but it's all gone. Oh man. I want to find that for sure. See what else is going on. They still have these cute little soaps. They've been around for a while. Oh, I forgot that I have a list of things I need to get from here. Ooh, look, pumice stone, a green tea infused. This is definitely new. I'm gonna get this. This right here is actually on my list, so I'm gonna get this. These shower caps are definitely new, or at least this print is new. I've never seen them before. This is my favorite section. What are these? Oh wow, a pumpkin garland. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you some of the things that I picked up. Not everything, I'm gonna put it in the next haul, but I do definitely want to show you guys the cards that I picked up. I mean, they really popped off with Thanksgiving cards this year. They are actually really cute. Some of them are, for me, are really gorgeous for junk journaling. I love this for that because I like the bright colors of it. But some of them are really pretty to send out as well. I like this one for junk journaling as well. I know there's like a whole message here. But I like it. So I thought that was really cute. I think I've seen that one before. You know, if it's little squirrels and little mice and little birds, I'm gonna get it. So like there's that. And then we have this one. I wish you guys could see this in person because the glitter just really makes it that much more beautiful. Then we have this one. This one I remember them doing. So this is a comeback. Very, very cute. Very junk journal. Lots of ability there. This one is just stunning. Love it for junk journaling, but also love it to like send out. I want to get to a point where I'm sending out like post mail again, you know? Then we have this one. This one's like full of glitter. Like this whole part is glitter. Love the woodland animals and like the peek into the window kind of thing. I love that. This one also came back as it should. I remember this one for sure. It is stunning in person. Like, why isn't the camera really translating? Because it's a whole different thing in person, I promise you. Then we have this one. This one's really cool. It's also a comeback. What I like about this one is that there's a really nice smooth texture to it, but they also make this in a Halloween version. Happy Halloween. So, which I've hauled. Then we have this one. I think I remember this one too. You know, there's a difference there. Just kind of like depends on your style. Like if you were to junk journal, you know. So there's that. Anytime there's a little town, I'm gonna get it. I don't know why that is. And then the other ones are Halloween. You can tell by the color of the envelope. So I got the little witch's legs. I got this one because I really liked the colors. It was really pretty. How do ghosts like to dance? They shake their booties. Top-notch jokes right here. Then we've got this one. This one is my junk journaling dream. I love anything that just looks really cute and really vintage. Has kind of like a childlike illustration to it too. Love that. Some of my favorite junk journalers junk journal in this like this way, and I really love it. I've already hauled this guy 1,000,001 times, but he's so vintage. I just had to. I got him one more time. So those are the cards that I picked up. I'll show you guys what's in this bag. I have zero explanation as to how this ended up in my cart. Probably how colorful it is. Then I picked up this bonus item. This was $3. It is a waterproof and submersible 10 LED puck indoor and outdoor lighting. You can see in the photo that she's got in the bathtub. I really don't know what they're doing here with s'mores and what this has to do with it. Maybe they put it in the lantern, I think is what they do with it, which is really cool. Comes with the battery, all the lights. For $3, I'm definitely going to give this a try. I thought it was cool for the bathtub, so that's why I got it. That would be great for a stocking stuffer too, by the way. Never too early in my opinion. Then I got this matte finishing spray. Have I hauled this already? Comment if I have. I feel like you'd remember better than me. I feel like I have, but I grabbed it again. On my list, I needed tissues. My allergies back here in Texas, so I'm just like trying to make sure I have things that I need on hand. So that's like for the car kind of thing. Then I did pick up the printed mask, the hair mask. That is really cool. I cannot wait to try that out. Then I also did pick up these rings. They're just full of bats, honestly, and I just thought junk journaling. I want to do something with it. I could even make like a mini garland of them and string them in my junk journal, so I thought that would be cute. Now this I'm probably the most excited about because I love finding cards at Dollar Tree, so I had to get doubles. I might honestly go back and pick up more. Obviously I'm just going off of the picture that they're giving us, but it is sealed, so I wanted to go ahead and open it. It's a 58 piece, and it's a 3 memory card matching game. So let's just see what it looks like. Okay, we get what looks like, oh, this is like, you put this out for your memory game, and then you put the cards. That is really clever. I've personally never seen anything like that. There's also this little tropical. That is really cool. Love that. And then we have this one. What? That just blew me away. And then we have the cards. This is what I really wanted to find. Let's see. I can't do anything with nails. I'm new to nails, and I don't know how anyone does anything with them. I don't. Okay, they're adorable. I love the bright colors. You guys need to follow her, Paper Pippi Co, or I don't know exactly what her Instagram is, but she's really one of the ones that inspires me with like bright colors. This is absolutely adorable to me. I don't know like what my obsession is with junk journaling, but it's here to stay. Alright guys, that is actually going to be it for today. I hope you loved making a little quick trip to Dollar Tree with me, seeing what's new. The store got a little bit packed, so, you know, there's that. I didn't really want to be like in people's way, but that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below, let me know what from this haul that you're going to put on your shopping list, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.